Yo, what's up? What's up, YouTube? This your boy Jay Wayne, representing Team Take Profits. And hey, welcome to a London session. It's good to see everybody. Who we got up in here? JC, what's up? Zion, my man, my main man. What's up, Peter? We got Christopher in the house. King, what's good? LG, let's get it. What's up, Answer? Daniel, what's good? Hey, while y'all coming in, please like the video. Please hit that like button so YouTube can know that this is a quality video and that, can spread the word out. Please like the video as you're coming in. Help me as I help you. I really do appreciate it. Please. Let's see. Always a pleasure to be a part of this Team Take Profit community. Yes, sir, Peter. We got a lot of news going on right now, so I needed to kind of observe what was going on in the news and seeing how the market was reacting. As you can see, a little fake out action just happened on GU. So I needed to give it some time to kind of blow over a little bit. Tuning in from Vegas. Destiny, what's good? Yeah, so we finna mark up the charts right quick, dive in and kind of see what we looking at. Just trying to let news pass through right quick. All right, cool. So look at that big fake out happen right quick. Big wick. What we gonna do with that wick, y'all? What we gonna do with that wick? That's for GBP USD. What we gonna do with that wick? Yesterday we caught the head and shoulders when we was trading live. We caught we caught that boy right there. So now, and then it dropped. So now it's pulling back. Let's see here. All right, so I'm gonna pull out a Fibonacci right quick. All right. So then from here, I'm going to go here. All right. So this is pretty much what we got. Then we got a trend line sitting through here. So that's pretty much it, y'all. If price break through the golden zone, we looking to sell. If price breaks through the golden zone, we looking to sell. Man, forgive me, y'all. I keep yawning. I ain't been asleep all day. Literally did not take no nap before London session. I'm tired as ever. I'm okay to trade, but I just keep yawning because I haven't had no sleep. But I got enough energy to last me through London session, and then I'm gonna pass out till like 1 o'clock in the afternoon. Literally. So that's the game plan. If price break through the golden zone, we're gonna be looking to sell. And I'm probably gonna take a breakout. I'm probably gonna take the breakout. I'm not gonna wait for the retest probably. We'll see when we get there, but I'm probably gonna take the breakout because of this wick right here. A lot of selling pressure. Man, cannot stop yawning. That is so irritating. Please forgive me, y'all. So yeah, because of that wick and because price is underneath the 50 moving average. If price break through that golden zone, I'm taking a sell. Market execution, boom, done. All right, so if price break through the 50, if price break through the trend line, we looking to take a buy. And I'm going to wait for a retest. Okay, so if price break through the 50 and the trend line, I'm going to wait for a retest to take a buy. But if price break through the golden zone, I'm most likely going to take a breakout. That may change. We'll just see when we get there. But as of now, I'm looking to take a breakout for the sale. And that's the game plan, y'all. That's simple as that. We ain't making it no more difficult than that. Simple. So now we're just going to wait. Hey, he said, and they say chart patterns don't work. Man, I'm so tired of hearing that, man. If it don't work for them, then it don't work for them. But it worked for me. And I know which chart patterns work and which ones don't. So some of them is a bunch of bull crap, and some of them is like really consistent. Shout out to Lagos, Nigeria, the motherland. Hey, what's up, Nugent? Hey, I appreciate everybody on here. I appreciate every single one of y'all. I appreciate your time. I do not take it lightly. Trade at your own risk. Never invest money that you're not willing to lose. Understand all of that. All right. Take out the right lot size. Use risk management. I'm just giving you a guide, and you know what I'm saying, you manage your own money. These are trades that I'm personally taking and that I'm allowing you to participate and see what I'm doing. Because I love y'all. I want everybody to win. We're going to take a look at GBP JPY in a second. But before we do that, let's take a look at the dollar index. So the Dixie. Now, what's going on with the Dixie? So remember, I said GBP USD, if it breaks through the golden zone, we're taking a sell. So that means we need the Dixie to go up. We need the Dixie to be bullish. We need it to go up. And it looks like we got some type of flag pattern here. So we got to be careful, because this could be a bearish flag pattern. So we have to be very careful with this. All right. It could go higher, and it could break through this trend line to the downside, because it is a big downtrend. Now let's take a look at divergence or anything like that. Actually, let me see something here. Yeah, I think that's going up. I think the Dixie is about to go up, y'all. Yeah, I think we're going to be selling GU. Basically, we want price to just shoot through this golden zone. Well, here's the thing. I said we want. I don't really care what it does. I really don't. I don't care what it does. But if we're going to sell GBP USD, then we need to see the Dixie do what the arrows is doing on the chart. We need to see the Dixie go up. If we're going to sell, we need to see the Dixie go into this golden zone. If we're going to sell GU. So you got this big pin bar. So it looks like it's going to drop eventually. Well, I need to see the Dixie go up. All right, so now we're on GBP JPY. Let's go to the daily chart. Look how bullish this is. All right, it's very, very bullish. So how do we take care of this? How do we handle this situation? How do we handle this situation? All right, so it looks like so if we take a buy from here, you know, I think we need to be careful because we don't know if this is going to be the peak and it's going to start pulling back. It's really high. So where is the best spot to buy at? If this is an uptrend, where is the best spot to buy? Where is the first dip going to be? Right? So the first dip might be here. It might be somewhere right up in here. That's the first area I would like to buy in. Unless this thing pulls back and start consolidating. Then I will buy the dip from there. You know what I'm saying? I will buy there, but it's not giving me nothing right now. You know what I'm saying? Like what is this? It's not giving me nothing. I need more information than that. I don't have any information. So we can go back and look at, like, in the past, like over here. So this is like September 2015. It hasn't been up this high since September 2015. But what I'm seeing is a bunch of reversals happening here. So it might reverse. You know, it's a bunch of structure up here. It's a bunch of structure up in here. So we need to be careful. All right, we need to be careful buying from here. Because that's where the green dotted lines that you see on my chart, that's where price is currently at. So it's at a structure level for sure. So that's why I want to be careful of the buys. Now, okay then, so if we're going to be careful with the buys and we want to buy somewhere, let's see, where could we buy at? Let's see here. Yeah, that's exactly where I just pointed out at. This is the exact same area that I pointed out. I went back in the past. History repeats itself. We already know that. And this is the same exact spot that I put down the first time. So this is where I would want to buy from for a trend continuation. This is the first area I would look at. So what that means is, well, are we going to sell? Are we going to sell this? Not necessarily. We can sell it, but we just got to scalp it because we don't really know how far this thing is going to drop. We don't really know, you know what I'm saying? And when you're in an uptrend and you're trying to sell in the uptrend, you get a lot of back and forth movement. So you're trying to take a sell, but you're going to see like little pushes to the upside while you're trying to sell. So it won't be like really easy. I mean, it could drop. It could just drop out of the sky. You know what I mean? We don't know that though. And I'm not going to take the risk. This is an uptrend. I want to be careful with any sell. So for an example, if we take a sell from here, I'm going to scalp it. 15 pips, get up out of there. And then it might consolidate. It might drop again. I'm going to scalp it. 15 pips, get up out of there. Until we get down here. And then this is where I'm going to be looking to take a lot of pips. So GBP JPY, I'm scalping all the way. I'm scalping all the way down. This whole area right here. From there to there. I'm going to be scalping all the way down. if it goes down there, I'm just gonna scalp it. That's my mindset. All right, so we just waiting right now to see what price is going to do. Is it going to break the 50 and the trend line to the upside and we take the retest for a buy? Or is GBP USD going to break through the golden zone and we take a sell? While we are waiting, everybody, all the new people that's just joining us, please like this video. Please share it on social media if you can. Hey, that will help me as I help you. I really do appreciate that. Chrome P Beach said it's heading to 182. He's talking about GBP JPY. Yeah, that's cool. Whatever it wants to do, I'm just gonna follow the money, bro. It's no problem at all. No problem at all. All I do is follow the money. I know the levels where I want to get in according to my strategy. I know the exact areas. I know where the supply and demand zones are, and based on which way it's gonna go, I might take a breakout or a retest. I'm just following the money, bro. I really don't be swing trading that much. I mostly just be scalping. So, like for an example, somebody, if you catch GBP JPY on the uptrend and it's been going up every day, every week, all week long, it's been shooting up. I'm scalping it every day. I'm finding my entry points, scalping along the way. I'm not just getting in and just riding it all the way up. Just because I don't want to be monitoring trades like that all day long, and I got too many other things I got going on. So I personally enjoy getting in, getting out, and if it's still on the uptrend, wait for my next area for entry, get in, get out, and just keep piecing it a piece, taking pieces of it every day. That's my style of trading. So I might catch a swing trade maybe like 2 or 3 times a year, but mostly I'm just making my money scalping every single day. That's what I personally enjoy. I enjoy doing that. I like to just be out of trades and have my mind free to think about other things. All right, so team, give me a second here. I'm finna focus on GBP JPY for a second. GBP JPY, GBP USD, all right, pound dollar, pound yen. Those are basically the only pairs that I trade. Like I got some other ones, but these are my main breadwinners. And today, if I can focus long enough, I think I'm gonna be able to make some money off of these pairs. So I'm really only focusing on these currency pairs because what I do is not for show. It's not for entertainment. I'm actually trying to make some money. Hey, hey. Trade. We trade. All right, y'all. GBP JPY is marked up. There you go. Waiting for that trend line to break, or waiting for price to break the supply zone. Waiting for price to break that supply zone. Which one will it do? I don't care which one it do. Just, I'm following the banks on this one. Hey, I'm not on Telegram. I am not on Telegram. Don't fall for none of those scammers on Telegram. I'm right here on YouTube. All you got to do is go to... Here, 1 second. Let me show you what's up. Let me show you what's up. All right, check this out. I'm not on Telegram, okay? None of that. If you want to reach out to me and you don't know where my Instagram at and all of that stuff, all you got to do is go to my my about on YouTube, go to my about section and click on Instagram. It'll take you right to my Instagram channel. You don't even got to worry about finding 5 different Jay Waynes on Instagram. Okay, it's right here. Also, if you want to reach out to me, just go to my community on YouTube. We constantly calling out all of these trade setups every single day. And then all you got to do is just comment. Now, you guys can't see some of this stuff. It's hidden. It's only for people that's a part of my mentorship. But I'm doing lives every single day. I'm doing lives two to 3 times a week. I'm doing lives. I'm calling out trade setups constantly. I'm constantly giving out my trades every single day. All right. But if you guys want to reach out to me, just go to my community on my YouTube channel and comment on one of the posts that you see. I get that instantly and I will respond to you. All right. So I've been busy. I've been working. I've been trying to make sure the team is eating right, getting these pips. So that's where you need to be finding me at. All right. All right, let's go back to the charts. Don't worry about no Telegram and all that other bull crap. All right, so Zion said, how did I connect this golden zone right here? All right, so the way that I found this golden zone was like this. Do you see how this is a high point? And do you see how this is a low point? Zion, I started here. I went from high to low. And I see that price stopped there and dropped. See that? All right, we got that. So, but that's not where we are. So I want to move this. I want to move this golden zone. I want to move the Fibonacci down to where the last pullback was. So where's the last pullback? The pullback was here. See that? You see how I stopped at the golden zone and then it dropped? So I want to move the top of the golden zone. I mean, I'm sorry, not the top of the golden zone. I want to move the Fibonacci to this peak. Because isn't that where it last stopped? You follow what I'm saying or no? So now I want to drag it from that high point to this low point. And price is pulling back. And it already broke the golden zone. It already broke it. You see what I'm saying? So we already, you know what I'm saying? We already missed that trade. That trade is over. But just to show you that the golden zone works and is powerful, I don't care what nobody says. So since I missed that already, Zion, what I want to do is focus on my supply and demand level. And I messed it up. But that's my supply zone. I got to fix my supply zone. I don't like that white box. My stuff got to look right. So I'm going to say that to my supply zone. So now there we go. So that's my supply zone right there. And I'm just looking to see if price going to break through it. Which I doubt it. I don't think it is. I mean, I don't like talking like that because I'm really creating a bias subconsciously. So I don't care which way it goes. It can break the supply zone, break the trend line, all of that. I'm gonna take the buy. And if it don't and it rejects that supply zone, obviously I'm gonna take the sell. So I don't care which way it go. So that's how we got it, bro. Good question. Good question. Any more questions? Hey guys, while we're waiting, if you can share this this video, share this live on social media, get the word out that we trading. The more people we got trading with us, the more it'll push the market. I know we only trading a few dollars. You know what I'm saying? We ain't like no billionaires, but hey, the more people we can get into our trade, hey, it might push for us for the next hour. Whenever we take the trade, share that joint, man. It's power in numbers. Hey, yeah. You see why we got to be patient, y'all? We jump too early. We jump too early trying to take a buy, or we try to guess where the market is going. No, no, no. We don't do that. That's rookies. We do not do that. We wait, we wait, we wait, we wait. And then boom. It's going to show what the market going to show what it's really doing, and the trade only going to take about 15 minutes. And then I'm going to be off to sleep. Honestly, I ain't going to lie. GJ is the one that I'm less confident in GJ. I'm going to tell y'all right now. I'm less confident this morning for the pound yen trade. We'll see, because it might do something wicked and it makes it super easy to trade. But right now it's at a spot where it's a little tricky. The GJ trade, as in regards to scalping, is not for beginners. Because I'm telling you, when the market takes off and the market start moving, we got about 5 minutes till London open. When the market get to moving, you're going to have to be quick with your reactions. I mean, you know what I'm saying? Like, you're going to have to be quick with, pulling the trigger on a trade, because you will miss it. You will miss it. It is definitely not for I could see it right now. It is not for a beginner. GU is a little easier. GU is a little easier to trade. That's in regards to the trade setup. So I'm just giving you a heads up on that. All right, so we're waiting. Somebody said, what's going on with gold? Oh, look at all these triple bottoms and double bottoms on gold. Ooh, I like that. So let's delete the chart. Let's reset it and let's remark it up. So gold keeps stopping down here. Why does it keep stopping down there? So what level is that? Let's see, what number is that? I'm looking for the like the whole number. So 127, 1,900. Let's see here. 18. Where's 18? All the way out there. No, 18 down here. 1900. Okay, so 1900 was a very powerful level. All right. I like to look at my quarter points and all that type of stuff. So 1900. And then we got 19. Let's go 50. Where's 50 at? 50 is up here. Okay, so we chilling at the 30s. So 1930. All right. Let me take a look at that 1930 level in the past. The 1915 level seems to be a little bit more more strong. The 1915 level, when gold was at 1,915. Okay. So what about 950? No, 950. So 1,955. Let's check that out. That's a pretty solid level right there. So 1915. 1930. Okay. Yeah, okay, cool. So I'm just looking at the key levels in the past. That's where I like to start at, y'all. So I'm seeing where's the big levels at and where's the money spots. So I just like to look at the reaction that happened at those key levels. And I try to find any like pockets of supply and demand zone. So that's what I was just like running through, looking in the past for. All right, so I found those levels, and market is just consolidating. So I mean, this is the easiest trade in the world. Whenever you got something like this, I mean, look what happened last time. You see this? This is literally the easiest trade ever. Don't make this stuff difficult. I mean, if the stuff if it keep doing the same thing over and over, then just keep trading it. Do you see this? Do you see that right there? That's all you doing with the trade right now. So that's all you doing over here. You just marking up this channel right here. That's all you doing, literally. And you just waiting for it to break the trend line. Because when it broke the trend line, what did you get? What did you get when the price broke that channel? You see what I'm saying? It went above the 50 moving average. It was beautiful. But I can't really focus on this right now because I need to trade. But that's all you're doing with the gold. You're just waiting for it to break that channel. All right, it's 3 o'clock London time, y'all. So let's see what we got going on. All right, here's the dollar index. Take a peek at that currency heat wave right quick. That heat wave. Look at that heat wave right quick. We got GBP at 6. All right, we got GBP at a 6. USD is pretty strong too. So GBP and USD is strong. So we ain't gonna get no movement right now. We're gonna have to wait a minute. JPY is pretty weak though. All right, so here's the thing, team. Check this out. Anybody that has the currency heat wave on their phone, pull it out, take a look at it right now while I explain what I'm about to explain. So do you see how GBP is at a 6.86, a 6.7, whatever, and JPY is at a 3? So it looks like it should be breaking out. It looks like it should be going up based on the currency heat wave. But look at how I have GBP JPY marked up. Do you see how I got it at a supply zone? So basically, if price does not break this supply zone, then we can be looking at this as GBP gonna be getting weak, because right now it should be breaking out because these are breakout numbers. It should be going up anytime soon based on what I'm seeing on the currency heat wave. But as I look at the charts, it's not doing that. So maybe there's a delay, we'll see. Or price is not going to break this supply zone and is going to pull back to the 50. And if it doesn't break out, and I'm seeing GBP is at a 7 and JPY is at a 3, and if it don't break out, then around 3:30, 4 o'clock, it's probably going to start pulling back, and that'll be a good time for me to take a sell. So I just use all of this stuff to give me an edge. I use all of this stuff to make a proper decision on my trading direction. And I've been using this stuff for so long, I just know how to use it. You know, it may be confusing for you because you haven't done it, but I'm just sharing some information with you. All right. And and I'm looking at the currency heat wave, GBP is at a 7, JPY is at a 2. That's definitely breakout numbers for a buy. So in order for me to buy it though, it needs to break my supply zone. I'm not trading just off of these numbers on a currency heat wave. That'd be stupid. I want to trade price action. I want to trade market structure, but I use these other things to help me make that decision, to help me see it clear, to give me a little bit more confluence. So sorry I couldn't show you on the screen because I don't got time to do all of that. I'm actually trying to pay attention to the charts. But if you got the currency heat wave on your phone and you followed along with me, cool. You understand what I'm talking about. Yeah, I ain't worried about no, I use it every day. So I use the currency heat wave every day. I trade. So I'm used to it. Sometimes it is a little off, but basically I just explain how I use it and it works. It works. I don't just go off just the heat wave. You know, I use it to give me a little edge here and there. And it works. It works for sure. I'm mainly focused on price action. I'm mainly focused on what the chart is doing. And I use the heat wave to kind of, you know, if I'm looking for a buy, I'll take a peek at those numbers. Like, oh, you know what? Maybe I should wait. You know what? You know, look at GBP is at a 6, little bruh. Look at USD is at a 7. Look at the chart. It ain't doing nothing because they both strong. It's just back and forth. So that's pretty accurate. But I'm not going to, you know, just go off of that. I'm going to go off my golden zone. I'm going to go off my trend line that I got on the chart. So you see how that's how I use it. Hey, no problem. No problem. My pleasure. Yeah. I would have looked at gold a little bit more, but like I say, I'm not trading gold. I'm trying to focus on these two currency pairs, and I don't want them to slip through my fingers. He said, wow, free live trading. Hey, I know it's a lot of them out there that just be on here wasting y'all time. You know, just marking up charts all day. Ain't nothing to trade. But, you know, we out here. And if there is no trade, then there is no trade. We ain't going to force it. But we ready to go. All we waiting for is these levels to get broken. That's it. Hey, If y'all can, all the new people that's joining, please like this video. Please share it on social media so we can get more people on these lives, so we can all trade the same direction and make this money. All right. Help me as I help you. Please like this video as y'all come in. Would you recommend day trading long-term trades with the field retracement tool? No, I wouldn't. I mean, I just use it as confirmation. You know, I wouldn't do it just off the golden zone. That's a piece of the puzzle. These Fibonacci retracement levels is just a piece to the puzzle. You know, that's one piece. I would not trade it just by itself. Things that I would, if I had to focus on one thing, thank God we don't have to focus on one thing. But if I had to focus on one thing, it would probably be supply and demand zones. I would trade supply and demand zones as a day trade. You know what I'm saying? For the rest of the day. I wouldn't do Fibonacci. Fibonacci is good, but it ain't that good. Sometimes you will win big and sometimes you won't. But supply and demand zones, when you find those on the daily chart, the 4-hour chart, you could trade them boys for 80 pips. So, you know, but we don't have to just pick one thing. You know what I'm saying? We just learn them all, learn all the good tools, and we apply them when we need to apply them. And right now, I see a reason to apply the trend line that you see on GBP USD. I see a trend line. I should apply that, and I should apply the 50 moving average, and I should apply the golden zone. Those are the only things that I needed for that trade setup. Every day is different. And as you can see, GBP JPY on the right side of my screen, I needed to focus more on the triangle pattern. I needed to focus more on really the supply zone. So every trade, every day is different. You pulling out different tools. You have to master all the tools. All right. So now look at GBP JPY. Look at GBP go down to a 5 and JPY is creeping up to a 4. And now you see it dropping a little bit. It's not enough for me to take a sell yet, but I can see the changes starting to happen. So now I just need it to come down a little bit more. First of all, I need it to go below the 50 moving average. If GJ if GJ does not go below this 50 moving average, I am not selling it. It needs to go below that 50 moving average. I remember I made a YouTube video on that. It needs to go below that 50. If you try to sell it before it breaks this 50, it may just bounce off of it and go higher. So I'm not falling for that. I'm not in a rush. I am not gambling with my money. None of that. It needs to meet my rules. You will learn real quick that I am very patient. I am in no rush. And nobody is going to force my hand to rush into any trade. If price breaks this golden zone and retest, well, no. If price break this golden zone, then I'm looking to sell. And I'm going to sell it to about down here. If price break that golden zone, I'm going to sell it. If price break this 50, I'm going to sell it. And we're going to sell it to about down here. And we only scalping. And the reason why we're scalping is because it's an uptrend and I don't want to get caught. So you can see it on my chart. That's where I'm looking to enter at right there. It's about to be game time. We just waiting for it to get to that level. When I put these little things out, that's just basically showing you like what I'm looking at. My stop loss, my take profit, my entry line is the yellow line. Price is not there yet, but that's basically what I'm looking for. So yeah, price is not hitting that level yet, but I'm just giving you, I'm trying to, because I know this is live and it's a delay. So I'm trying to let you know before we get there. It's not time yet, but this yellow line, which is 1.27532, little yellow line right here, that'll be my entry. That's if it gets down there. Somebody said, why are you not trading with the trend? Do you see I have these trend lines up here? You see the white trend line? If price breaks the trend line, then I trade with the trend. If price break through this golden zone and break my trend line, get back on the side on top of the 50 moving average, then I will continue to trade with the trend. But if it's going to reject that trend line, if it's going to reject the golden zone and break through it to the downside, then I'm going to scalp the sell. I'm not going to hold the sell. I'm going to scalp it, because that's the direction that we're going in for this morning. So I got it in such a way that I can, time that stuff. All right. So if price break this golden zone, like I've been saying all morning long, I know people jumping on late and all that stuff. You're going to have to just rewind the video. But if price break that golden zone, I'm going to sell it. If price break the trend line, I'm going to buy it. Simple. So we just chilling, waiting to see what's going to happen. And if if it's going to break the trend line and buy, then my entry would be like up here. And it'll look like that. I usually go for like a 1-to-1. So that's what it'll look like if it breaks the trend line. All right. So those are my numbers. You know, write it down, take a screenshot, whatever you need to do. All we doing is we just waiting to see which way it's going to go. We just chilling. Hey, Clay, what's good? Hey, man, you always welcome, my brother. What is that? Raw meditations. Hey, do you see this long position? Do you see this? Do you see this right here? The green is the take profit. The red is the stop loss. The yellow line in the middle is the entry. All right. So you said, where do I see it taking profit? I see it. That's where I'm taking profit at, right there at the top of that golden zone. I mean, basically at the golden zone level. If you want to hold it for, longer, that's your business. But like I say, I like to just scalp, get out, go to bed, wake up in the morning, start my day fresh. I don't want to be staying up monitoring trades all day long. And that's one of the ways that I'm just, consistent with it, because I just scalp, take profit, start fresh the next day. Yeah, so that's what we're looking at. So that's the take profit is the green area, the green level. I don't got nothing for GJ yet because it's just not ready yet. GJ is just not ready. What's the best time to trade? I mean, it all depends. I mean, I think the best times to trade is, I would say 2 a.m. to 5 a.m. That's London. That's usually like the London session, pretty much 2 a.m. to 5 a.m. It's really like 3 a.m., but I like to show up a little early. So 2 a.m. to 5 a.m. And then I would say 7. Let me see. 1 second. 2, 3, 4. Let me see. 2, 3, 4, I would say 7 to 11. 7 a.m. Eastern time. So make the time conversions yourself, but 7 a.m. Eastern time to 11 a.m. That's the New York session. Those are the two best sessions to trade. And those are probably the most predictable times to trade. You know, you really only want about 1 or 2 trades during those sessions. You don't want to trade all day long because the market is not going to give you predictable trade setups all day long. It will give you a fake out and catch you. So you have to just, I would really recommend you stick to one thing and master it. Because the way that the market reacts and moves during London session is not the same way that the market moves and reacts for London and Sydney session and Australian session. They all move, they all have different tendencies in the way they move. You need to master it. So that's why I stick to one session. Trading is not a game. It's not something you want to be playing around with. You feel me? It's not something that, you know what I'm saying? This is our career. This is our business. This is our livelihood. This is how we're going to change the trajectory of our family. You know, the way that our family is going, you know what I mean? The money, the finances, you know what I'm saying? The moves that we can make. This is not something that you just want to be all over the place with. You want to lock in on something that works for you and don't change it. I don't care how boring it gets. I don't care how boring it gets. We don't want to thrill every single morning. We don't want to be trading, you know what I'm saying? Like, you know, on the edge of our seat, biting our nails. Like, you know what I'm saying? Like we're doing like if you scalping binary options, you know, you see these people like just super excited and oh yeah, come on. Like we don't want to be like that. We want to be calm, cool, and collective. We want to just be chilling. We want to have this stuff marked up, ready to go, and we're just waiting. And then we want to trust in our analysis and pull the trigger when the time comes. And then one of the key pieces is knowing how much do your trade strategy, how many pips do your trade strategy gives you? How many pips on average? Tell me this. Can y'all answer this? How many pips on average do your trade setup give you? You feel me? You need to know this. And that way, you know what I'm saying? You always locked in. You just in your pocket. And you ain't worrying about what nobody else doing. You know what I'm saying? Somebody can be like, hey, I'm buying this and I'm buying it up to this and I'm buying it up to there, or I'm selling this. Like, hey, do your thing. Do your thing. I mean, I'm happy for you. You know what I'm saying? We both gonna get paid. But what you doing is not gonna affect what I'm doing. I'm not gonna change what I'm doing because I put the work in. You see what I'm saying? You want to put the work in. You want to know what you doing. Don't let nothing like, you know, confuse you on what you doing. You know what I'm saying? Because you studied it so much. So, you know, that's what it is. So that's the best time that I think that you should trade. But I really think, you know, London or New York, but I really think that you need to focus in on one session at a time. Focus on one session at a time. Okay, more than 10 pips for sure. That's what's up. Follow that plan. 200 plus on a good day. I love it. I love it. All right, so I'm seeing that in regards to the news, the inflation rate, it was better than expected. The core inflation rate was better than expected. Yeah, we still waiting on CBI industrial trends, but everything was positive so far. Oh, the pips pay my bills. Oh, we can't get that until we win a trade. We can't get that till we win a trade. Now, come on now. We can't just play that. I got to win a trade to play that.
Take profits. The movement is real.
Man, it's 3 in the morning over here. It's like 8 over there in London right now. They over there getting it. Man, that's where the money at. That's where we need to be by any means necessary. You heard me? I got a bank to break.
Who with me?
I got a few moves to make.
Who with me?
I got a flight to take.
Let's get it.
I got a dream to chase.
Go get it.
I got a team to feed. God has been good to me. Yeah, yeah. Leaving a legacy. That's part of my destiny. Yeah, yeah. London got them big banks. We out here popping big ranks. We bout that kingdom building life and we ain't popping no drinks. I got a bank to break. Ain't playing no games today. I hop on the charts like looking at art. I see it a different way. I got a bank to break. I got a few moves to make. I got a flight to take. I got a dream to chase. London, 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 keep them trades coming. London, 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 keep them trades. I got a bank to break. I got a few moves to make. I got a flight to take. I got a dream to chase. London, 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 keep them trades coming. Keep them trades coming. London, keep them trades coming. As long as London got trades, then I'ma keep getting paid. Yes, forex lifestyle, got it locked down. I keep the food on the plate. I got that big boat on the lake. You know I be chillin'. I gotta meditate. You buying, you should've been selling the wrong move. Well, get your account 8. 5 accounts for a big family. We big stacking. You too late. You trying to fund your account again. No discipline. You only chase. I sit back and I wait, whatever it takes. Cause patience is action. I be on live calling out big trades. Them demo profits you flashing. I got a bank to break. I got a few moves to make. I got a flight to take. I got a dream to chase. London, 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 keep them trades coming. London, 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 keep them trades. I got a bank to break. I got a few moves to make. I got a flight to take. I got a dream to chase. London, 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 keep them trades coming. Keep them trades coming. London, keep them trades coming. Keep them trades coming. Keep them trades coming. Keep them trades coming. Trades coming. Trades coming. I got a bank. Ooh, we building wealth and legacies. Ooh, we it's bigger than me. Ooh, we building a kingdom. Ooh, we now I'm free. Freedom ain't found in money. Freedom is found in grace. That's why I keep my faith in God and not that money I make. I got a bank to break. I got a few moves to make. I got a flight to take. I got a dream to chase. London, 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 keep them trades coming. London, 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 keep them trades. I got a bank to break. I got a few moves to make. I got a flight to take. I got a dream to chase. London, 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 keep them trades coming. Keep them trades coming, London, keep them trades coming. If you ain't investing, if you ain't trading, then what is you doing? I guess you love trading your time for dollars. But just know that time is our most valuable asset. Yeah, I got the formula, come holla at me.
Hey, so let me see. Can you please play content? It says if you put a fib on it, you will see it tap the 618. Now it's on its way to 27 extension. What currency pair are you talking about? Is that Brian? I think your name is Brian. What currency pair are you referring to? Yeah, Justin. Okay, GU. Yeah, Justin, it was just above the trend line. Just above the trend line. When price get up there, trust me, I'm gonna put it on the screen before it get there. Well, I just do it now. I took it off. I should have just kind of hit it. But I had took it off because it was like I don't like too many things on my chart. So I had took it off right quick. And then if I'm looking for a sell, the sell will be like right like this. So if it breaks that golden zone, then I'm selling it like that. And if it breaks the trend line, then I'm buying it like this one over here. But I just took it off my chart because price is not there yet. But make sure y'all got it up there. Make sure y'all know what it is. All right. Make sure y'all take a good write those numbers down. I mean, I guess I could leave it on the chart, but I just don't like all that stuff on there. They said TTP changed my life. Took this leap of faith during COVID lockdown times and haven't looked back since. Thanks to Jay, I'm forever grateful. Hey, Jonathan, I appreciate you, bro. I don't take this lightly, and you already know I gave you everything that I had. All right. I gave you everything that I had, bro. And anybody that's trading with me, I appreciate your time. I appreciate your sacrifice because I know how much time it takes to master this. I know how much energy it takes. I don't mess around. I do not mess around. I cut out all the bull crap and get you right to the money. Daniel, that's the song I put out. It's on Apple Store, Google Play Store, it's on everywhere, Spotify, everywhere. My career would be compared to Hitch. Is no. What's the name of that movie with a old boy? Will Smith. What's the name of that movie? Hope. Not Hitch. Hitch is he was being a pimp, but what's the name of that movie? When he was trying to sell that doctor equipment stuff. Pursuit of Happiness. I gotta compare it to that. I gotta compare it to that, man, because I was homeless with my son Elijah, going to college, working my part-time job. I had really no family to help me. Everybody broke in the family. You know what I'm saying? Like everybody broke. Can't nobody help me. Or people just funny acting. You know what I mean? People just funny acting. They don't want to help you. So we just got it out the mud. We got it out the mud, man. And I wasn't selling that type of stuff. I was just trying to figure out my career. And I didn't graduate college. I dropped out of college because it was just too tough for me. I'm not really like a student like that care about all of that stuff, algebra and math. I just wasn't good at it. Unfortunately, I just wasn't good at it. So I was chasing different careers, chasing this little stuff, and finally I stumbled upon this. And this was like trading forex was like me signing an NBA contract. It's like, it's like not too many people be able to make it that far to be able to take it that serious and actually quit their job to trade forex. Like a lot of people don't make it that far. It's because they don't get the mentorship for somebody to help them, or they just don't have discipline. Like, you know what I'm saying? They just gamble their money away. They always trying to trade to get lucky and not trading specific rules day in and day out, every single day. You know what I mean? So I was fortunate enough to make it that far. So it reminds me of that story, And it's like, remember he was like going to, Will Smith, he was going to like different people to try to get the opportunity going and try to get his dream funded, and they was just shutting him down. For me, that was like me funding my account and then blowing it. In regards to trading, it was like, okay, man, I got closer this time. I lasted longer this time, but I still made a mistake. I still got the door closed on me, whatever the case may be. And it was like, all right, we're not going to give up. We're going to try it again. And so I had to take a break. I had to step back. I had to go to demo, and I had to really learn what I was doing wrong. Not what I was doing right. I had to learn what I was doing wrong. And I learned that my entry points were always too late. I will always get in too late. So I had to spend like a year or 2 years perfecting my entries. And then eventually everything just clicked. Hey Jonathan, that was one of the best days of my life. Being able to go in there. You don't even know how like scared I was. Like not that day, but to go into the boss office and be like, "Hey, I'm out of here." Like I was contemplating that decision for a month, like 3 months. Like I was like, "Oh man, I'm about to do it today." Then I get ready to do it. I get ready to knock on the boss's door, and then I just turn back around like, "No, I ain't ready yet. Dang it." And then I go back home and be like, "Man, why didn't I do it?" And I'm talking about I wrestled with that decision for like 3 months. And then finally, when I told the boss, he was like, "Oh, I already know." He was like, "Oh, I was just waiting for you to tell me. I already know." Cause can't nobody keep their mouth shut at these jobs, man. Everybody just talk too much. Cause people knew I was trading, and then they be like telling everybody, and the boss heard I be trading, and they thought like, "Oh, he's making money. He's gonna quit," and all this stuff, putting all that stuff in the boss's ear. But he didn't treat me no different. He didn't treat me no different, and I still did my job to the T. I did my job as if I wasn't going nowhere, because I believe in integrity. And I gave him a 2-week notice, and I was out. It was a day to celebrate. I'm glad that I was able to put it on camera, to document that, for my kids to see that when they grow up. All right, y'all, what we got going on here? It's about to be 4 o'clock. Oh my God, it's about to be 4 o'clock. I'm tired as heck. He said he was pulling in Target. He was working at Target, pulling up in the BMW. Yeah, I still got the slingshot. I got the spider and the slingshot. Hey y'all, it's about to be 4 o'clock and the market still ain't moving, bro. It's like so close. So close, baby. Come on. It's just sitting there. Hey, y'all saw that the news try to fake us out though. That news try to shoot up. Oh, we buying. That thing didn't go nowhere. And we was not falling for it. Shout out to everybody that's on here that did not fall for that fake out. Shout out to everybody. Give y'all a hand clap. Shout out to everybody that didn't fall for that. Hey guys, if you just pulling up in here, hey, please hit that like button for me. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed already. Yeah, we about to keep rolling with trading all week long. I'm about to be dropping some more RSI videos. All right. All right. So, I'm about to be I got a video I need to show y'all about this RSI. I've been really diving into the RSI, the relative strength indicator, and I got some stuff that I've been studying and I found out, and I absolutely need to show y'all. So be looking out for that video. I want to say, yeah, probably tomorrow. Tomorrow around 6 o'clock, 6 p.m. when y'all get out of work or whatever, the video will be dropped. Look out for that video. All right. And what other videos do y'all want me to drop? Like, what kind of content? Like, I've been doing this for a long time now. Honestly, we just waiting, so we might as well just be honest and open. Like, y'all, like my people that rock with me, I appreciate y'all. Like, what kind of content do y'all want to see me drop now? You know, let me know what type of material, what type of stuff you want me to cover on a weekly basis. Like, what, you know what I'm saying? Comment below. I got an idea of what I want to do, but I do this for y'all. So let me know. Uh-oh, we got a candle moving, baby. It's moving. Let's go. This might be game time. Cause this thing better move, man, cause I'm sure about to go to sleep. I'm about to pass out. I ain't been asleep all day. Y'all think it's ready to go? Hey, I think it's ready to go, y'all. Can you make a video about what's misunderstood about trading psychology? That's fire. Hey, listen to what Remy Davis said. Listen to Remy Davis. She telling the truth. Hey, Jonathan, I got you. All right, we up 1,000 so far. We up 1,000 so far. Can I get 2K? Hey, this would be a good day if I can get 2K. 3K would be even better, but based on how slow the market moving, if I can get about 2K, that'd be a blessing. I'm telling you, it might not seem much. And I'm not rich by any means. I am not rich. I'm rich in spirit. I'm rich in family. And I'm rich in God. But I definitely got all my needs met. But like $2,000 a day, $3,000 a day per trade, like maybe like 3 or 4 times a week, that money can go a long way. Like you can make some moves with about 2K a day. And for me, between $2,000 and $3,000 a day is usually my average right now, because I'm living off of that money and I got to grow my trading account at the same time. So I'm trying to balance between me. So like I would say 2,000 to 3,000. Pretty much I try to get that 4 days a week, or just, you know what I'm saying? And then I try to split it. So 3 of those days I'm going to keep, 2 of those days, the other 2 or whatever, however it works, is different every week. I try to like keep it in the trading account. I'm just trying to find that balance, because I'm living off of the trading money, but I'm also trying to grow my trading account. So you get what I'm saying? So I'll split the money, but the money goes a long way. It adds up pretty quick. And then like if I trade gold and I catch it, I only trade gold when I know it's at an absolute bottom or absolute top. When I trade gold, I can easily get about $10,000 on one trade. But I don't do it like how I'm doing it right now. I don't scalp gold every single day. I wait for the extreme tops or extreme bottoms at supply and demand zones. And I'm telling you, 10K easy. Hey, we at 2K. We at 2K. We running. We running, baby. Hey, was it worth the wait, team? Hey, give me some money emojis. It was worth the wait. Let's go. It was 100% worth the wait. I need some money bag emojis. Come on now. Let's go. We not playing. Hey, like this video, share this video, because we actually trading live. We ain't just marking up, talking about some bull crap. We getting money bags. But all glory to God. No glory to me. All glory to God. Hey, you know what? I'm in desperate need of a Pips pay my bills, man.
The money trail. Pips pay my bills. Pips pay my bills.
Let's go. All right, so let's see what we got going on now. Let's see here. So yeah, so now it's pulling back. So it's pulling back because you got those wicks. You got these wicks down here. And this is a demand zone right here. So we may get a little stutter right here. And it's 402. So guys, I'm not gonna push it too far. I'm not gonna push the limits on this because it's the time of the day. If this happened around 3 o'clock like we wanted it to, then yeah, if this happened around 3 o'clock, then I probably would hold it. But it's happened at 4 o'clock, so I'm probably gonna call it a day and not push it. Yeah, because if it broke out around 3, then we would have enough time to still see if it can run. But the market tends to slow up around this time, so if you want to hold it, you can just move up your stop loss. All right, move the stop loss from let me see, where's my stop loss? Yeah, move your stop loss from up here to right here. Put it above that wick right there. And if you get stopped out in profit, then you get stopped out in profit. It is what it is. All right. You can give it a chance to run more, but but keep in mind, team, it's an uptrend. It's an uptrend. So, you know, these type of things slow down when you're in an uptrend. Now, if this was a downtrend, then the momentum, we would ride the momentum, but this is an uptrend. So we're only trying to scalp, get a few pips and get up out of here. So move the stop loss down to where you see it at and just see how far it can go. Or you could just take profit right now and call it a day. That's up to you. You trade your own money, you manage your own money. All right. Hey team, I'm about to get up out of here. Hey, I love and appreciate y'all. Hey, like this video, subscribe if you haven't already. This was a good time. It's been a minute since we traded live together. It's been a good time. I appreciate y'all. I appreciate all the love. And like I said, I don't like to waste y'all time. Let's get to the money and get up out of here. All right. So yeah, be looking out for this RSI video coming out tomorrow around 6 p.m. And it's gonna be dope. I gotta show y'all this stuff that I figured out. So, all right, I love y'all. I appreciate y'all, and you already know. Let's make this money, baby. Peace.
We getting paid, we getting paid, we getting paid, huh? Stacking that money from the trades, huh? I really do this, I really do this, I really trade, bro. Hit the markets for $1 million, then I'm laying low. Like a pro, yeah, I'm trading like a pro. Like a pro, taking profit like a pro.
Like a pro, time to let them know. Bank on the phone, no, I don't need a loan, cause I'm trading like a pro.
We getting paid, we getting paid, we getting paid, huh? Stacking that money from the trades, huh?
We getting paid, we getting paid, we getting paid, stacking that money, I'ma teach you how to trade like
I'ma
a
teach
pro.
you how to trade, set and forget it. Baby, go handle your business, get off the charts, why you be tripping? Maybe you would get paid if you came, sat and listen. But they be on my page, still broke and be dissing. I don't get it, I got a bank to break. You already know. I went to London, now it's time to hit up Tokyo. Or maybe fly to Mexico, that peso it be hitting. When I find a higher low, that Fibonacci got me litty. Now I'm back up in your city, yeah, teaching you the game. I lace the people up, get the bag, not the fame. Yeah, they say I chase the fortune, I just pray the double portion. Better put your time in, back test it, that's important. When they see you making money, they hate and try to extort you. Scammers be in the group, get it too, watch me poach them. Acting like they be me on IG, I don't know them. And they can't tear down my name, cause I really changed the game. Like a pro, yeah, I'm trading like a pro. Like a pro, taking profit like a pro.
Like a pro, time to let them know. Bank on the phone, no, I don't need a loan, cause I'm trading like a pro.
We getting paid, we getting paid, we getting paid, huh? Stacking that money from the trades, huh?
We getting paid, we getting paid, we getting paid, stacking that money, I'ma teach you how to trade
like a pro, yeah, I'm trading like a pro. Like a pro, taking profit like a pro.
Like a pro, time to let them know. Bank on the phone, no, I don't need a loan, cause I'm trading like a pro.
We getting paid, we getting paid, we getting paid, huh? Stacking that money from the trades, huh?
We getting paid, we getting paid, we getting paid, stacking that money, I'ma teach you how to trade like a pro.